Hello, this is Shaylin 3D Pring, and welcome to Print of the Week, episode 148, Bambu Time-Lapse Kit. Okay, so the kit I'm putting together is a time-lapse kit from Bambu, so it allows you to get nice, smooth-looking time-lapses with a phone or a camera, depending on if you want to use Bluetooth or a trigger cable to control it. Now that all the pieces are printed, you take the top cover and put the button in it. I printed the button in clear PETG for the light that comes through the button. You can actually see it. And then you slide in the board. And then you'll take the back cover, and there's two sides of it. So you'll want to have the flat side facing you and the ones with all the indents facing the board. And then the one hard part about this kit was you have to screw in the back, and there's no threads printed into the casing, so you have to just screw directly in the plastic, so it can be kind of difficult to get the screw to want to go. But other than that, it's not too bad to assemble. I did not have the screws pushed down, like the case pushed down enough, so the screws didn't go all the way in. So my back cover can wobble a little bit, but that should be fine. And then there is also a top piece, so you can either print one that allows you to have a rigid piece that goes over the top, or a slider. I put a slider on there just because it makes it easier. If there's like a firmware update for this later, you can access the USB-C port on it and easily update it. Otherwise, you would have to take off the top cover every single time you want to update it. They haven't released update yet, so I don't think it'd be that much of a problem. But it's nice to have just in case. So then you just hook it up to your printer. If you have A1 like I do, there's actually two ports on the back of your printer already. I recommend making sure your AMS, if you have one, be on the left side and the camera be on the right side. And then so you just plug in the cable that's provided if you got the right model, and then plug it into the camera. And if you want to see this in action, check out next week's video. If you liked the video, go and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.